Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Jack Chang here, and today we are going to do yet another property review. It's Millerz Square at Old Klang Road. So yes, we are along the very busy Old Klang Road. As you can see, it's a Saturday afternoon, about 3 PM, and it's a bit gloomy. Yeah, so it's about to rain. But yes, this is Millerz Square at Old Klang Road. It's a project by Exim Group. And how do I know it's a project by Exim Group? Because it ends with a Z. So yes, for those of you who are familiar, Exim Group, their properties, their projects all end with Z. Yeah, you got petals, you got leaves, needles, Millerz, you know. Millerz though is the first mixed development project for Exim Group. Yeah, and in Millerz you basically have 5 blocks. Okay, block A and B are service apartments, C and E premium service apartments, and block D is an office building, yeah, office block. Okay, so for the name itself, right, Millerz, it basically pays tribute to the past, because this area where Millerz is sitting on, it used to be a timber sawmill, and hence the name Millerz. Yeah, as a matter of fact, the whole of, I would say a large part of Old Klang Road used to be an industrial area. So besides this sawmill, you have a lot of factories, in the manufacturing. Of course, back then, this was in the 50s, 60s. You also have lots of rubber smoke houses. Yeah, and they used all this material is supposed to be actually from that sawmill, or from those factories that were sitting on this plot of land. Yeah. And you will notice later when we explore Millerz, right, you know, the lobby and so on, the design language, I would say, would be really leaning towards industrial ambience type of deco. Yeah, so you will see a lot of wood, a lot of bricks, you know, a lot of raw metal, graphite elements that are used for this development. Okay, so I would say this is the main drop-off area, okay, around this fountain. All these are supposed to be retail lots, but you know, yet to operate. Can't wait for it to operate. You know, very nice facade that you see here. You know, curved facade, and the bottom 3 floors, or rather from ground, first and second, are your retail lots. Okay, these are your retail lots. Yeah. So yes, without further ado, let's head to Tower C. That is the block that houses the unit that we are going to review today. Okay? Yes, once again, a soft reminder. Millerz Square by Exim. Let's go. So here we are at Tower C. And just right beside the lobby actually is a Japanese restaurant. Already in operation, Yoshin. Looks decent. But yes, this is what we want to review. Yeah, the unit that we are going to review is located in Tower C. In Tower C, there are only 2 type of layouts. Yeah, C1, which is 660 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and C2, which is 890 plus square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Yeah. So yes, this is the lobby. Block C, Charlton. Very industrial, minimalist, you know, design, and again this pays tribute to the previous development on this area, which is factories, industrial. Yeah, okay, so yes, let's head to the lobby. This is the lift lobby. The unit that we are going to review is on the 22nd floor. Okay, that's the mailbox room. Okay. So let's head up. So we are on the 22nd floor. This unit today is available for sale. Yes, very attractive unit. So basically this is a type C2 unit. It's a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom unit. So right at the entrance you have, look at that. Very solid iron Mongery grill. Yeah, mesh Love the details, and even you can see, right? Even the design layout itself, right? You know, it's very much like the whole theme of this building, which is industrial modern. Yeah, and again, this pays tribute to the sawmills, you know, that once occupied the land that this building is on. So here, shoe cabinet. Again, this is built-in, provided by the developer. And once you enter, you have this nice electronic door lock. Solid, very nice solid timber door. Yeah. So this is the kitchen area. You got an island here with a sink. Two-door electronics fridge, and also electronics hood and hob. Yeah. This is a charcoal filter type. Oven at the bottom, and here you have basically your dryer and washing machine stacked. Okay, nicely, neatly hidden away behind this mesh doors. So this is the dining area. Love these tiles. TV cabinet. So far still brand new, yet to be open. And this is the balcony. Double glazed aluminium doors, window. Yeah. So if you close it up, you won't hear anything. You don't hear. See? Premium quality. And this is the view from the balcony. Okay. So basically this is NPE highway, and this direction heads towards Sunway Pyramid. The toll is just there. Yeah. And that direction here head towards Bangsa. Okay, Calico City. This itself is Scott Garden. It used to be a very happening place. Lots of bars and clubs. Yeah. Scott Garden. And of course, at the bottom there, you have Klang River. Yeah. Okay, let's head back into the unit. So the furnishing, even for the whole entire unit, right? Again, this is supposed to be the premium service apartments. So the walls all are treated with nice wallpapers. This is the guest room. Floor to ceiling wardrobe. queen size bed and mattress. This is the bathroom. Nice house. Look at that. Johnson Swiss sanitary ware. Yeah. And of course, a nice shower area with built-in water heater. Yeah. Look at the shower screen. Nice details. Of course, this is an expensive premium development, hence the furnishing in the unit. Even the doors are very solid, actually. Solid timber doors. And this is the master bedroom. So the same view as per the balcony. You have NPE. That's a better view of Scott Garden. And that's TM Tower there, with the helicopter landing pad on top. Very distinctive. Built-in wardrobe. All the way to the top. And the bathroom. Master bathroom. Slightly bigger than the other one that you saw. Deeper shower area. Yeah. So yes, this unit is available for sale. If you are interested, do reach out to the agent below, Jayden. He's a specialist in this area. Now that we've reviewed this particular unit, let's head up to view the facilities. Okay, so we are out of the 43rd A floor, which is basically the 44th floor. So yes, let's start our tour facilities on the highest floor. Yeah. So basically you have sky dining, sky lounge, and a herbs garden. So if I turn to my right, this is where you have your sky dining area. Okay, but you have to book, so I can't access that, but I can access this herbs garden. Yeah, not too properly maintained, unfortunately. So yeah, more of weeds than anything. But yes, it's supposed to be your herbs garden. Look at this. Cement blocks. Yeah. Nice ventilation here. And here is my sky dining. So yes, we can't access because you have to basically book this. But I would say this area you can probably sit about 35 packs to 40 packs. Yeah. You have a toilet. And here's your sky lounge. What seems to be a chillax zone. Also, you have to book. It's locked. There's a spiral staircase down to the 43rd floor, which we'll take shortly. And towards the end are just some chairs to lounge, okay, to chill. Yeah. Okay. Towards the end, you can actually see the other block. So that is block E actually. Yeah, block E. So again, there are 5 blocks, A, B, C, D, E, and C and E is supposed to be the premium service apartments. Yeah. So yes, this is the toll that I was pointing out, NPE. So all this all the way here heads towards Sunway and Old Klang River. Oh, this is an interesting view of I'm not sure which area is this. This is Pantai area, Pantai Dalam. But this area in between right here, yeah, makes me curious to find out. Okay, so yes, let's head down to the 43rd floor via that spiral staircase. I'm coming down the spiral staircase to the 43rd floor. So on the 43rd floor, hello, hi. Okay, so this is the gym, yeah? This is the gym. He's going to help us. Thank you so much. So very, very nice gym that you have here, you see? Okay. Lots of treadmills all the way. You got your weights towards the end. Yeah. Okay. So that's also the other entrance to the gym. You'll not need to go there. And the other main part of this development is, of course, the swimming pool. So each block has its own swimming pool. All the blocks actually, and even the office suites also has a swimming pool. Yeah. So much emphasis, on a balanced lifestyle that even your place at work they have a swimming pool also. So yeah, infinity swimming pool, and the top it's also open. Lots of sunlight. We were alone on that floor. Okay. So let's just walk to the inn. Some chairs to laze on. Okay. So let's head down to the 8th floor, our last facilities floor. So we are on level 8, stepping off the lift lobby of level 8, Tower C. So this basically is shared between this area, this whole area, common facilities is shared between Tower C, D and E. Yeah. These two blocks that you see here, if I'm not mistaken, should be A and B. Okay, so they have their own facilities. This is the block that we just reviewed, the unit. Somewhere up there on the 32nd floor, Tower C, and here is Tower E. The office lots are in this tower, Tower D. Okay? Yeah, so this is supposed to be a fountain. Oh, okay, I just noticed that I'm stepping on this dry fountain area. Luckily it wasn't activated while I was stepping on top. Oh. But yes, lots of greeneries. All these are retail lots, by the way. All these are retail lots. You can see it's under renovation. Even there, all this, yeah, all the retail lots. Okay, I'll expect maybe groceries, mini mart, maybe some simple dining, laundry, yeah. And there, this one is your playground area. Okay, kids playground area. Decent, sizable, I would say. Yeah, with grass, fake grass, artificial grass, rather. Okay. So basically that sums up the review of this unit at Millerz Square. If you are interested to purchase the unit, again, do reach out to the agent below. Yes, so thank you again for watching. Please do like the video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.